Good morning everyone, welcome back to a new Vlogtober video. Today I decided to make a beef stew with dumplings for dinner. So it's morning, I'm in my PJs and as I'm doing it in the slow cooker or the Crockpot, I needed to get everything prepped and get it on, as early as I could really. So what you're going to be seeing is me getting all the veg ready. So I'm going to be doing carrots, parsnips, onions, butternut squash, swede. I think that was mostly like the veg that went into the actual stew itself. Generally I put potatoes in, but I decided this time to do some roast potatoes and do them sort of on the side, with a little bit of broccoli as well. So, and obviously the beef, I actually bought some diced beef. And so yeah, I thought, sit down nice and early, peel the veg, get it all chopped, get it all sort of together, all prepared, and then get everything into the slow cooker. So that's what you're going to be seeing for the moment. And what I'll probably do is put this on a time lapse because you don't want us to sit there and watch me peel and chop every single piece of veg. As you can see, I'm chopping the veg quite chunky because, where it's going in the slow cooker, I don't want it to sort of break down too quickly. And when you're eating it, you still want nice chunks of veg. as you can see, I've got everything ready. As I finished chopping the veg, I kind of put it on the tray next to me. It looks so colourful and sort of really autumnal, you know. So what you're going to see now is me just assembling everything into the slow cooker, and as you can see, I am using a slow cooker liner to make life a whole lot easier. So I've added Worcester sauce, I've added 2 beef stock cubes and seasoned it with salt and pepper. I'm just wrapping up the rest of the veg in some tin foil, and now I'm peeling the potatoes, and I'll be chopping the potatoes and putting them in a pan of water ready to cook and to roast a bit later on. So it's several hours later, in fact quite a few hours later, and the stew is done. I've made the dumplings. It's all thick and lovely, as you can see. I had already boiled the potatoes, put them in the air fryer to roast, and they just were delicious. And then I had some broccoli in the saucepan, and everything's ready. I think I had sort of minutes left on the potatoes, and yeah, I'm getting ready to dish up now. Okay, are you ready for this? So I'm just taking the lid off of the slow cooker and just about to start dishing up this. Oh, it's just healthy, hearty, lovely stew. It was delicious. In fact, Chris went back for seconds. So I'm about to put the roast potatoes on the plates along with the broccoli. And here's my dinner. It was delicious. Thank you so much for clicking on the video and watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now. Bye.